Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make stickers on WhatsApp. So let's get right into it. First of all, we need to open up WhatsApp. Then select any of chat. Here in this text bar, you have to hit on emoji. Then you have to go on this fourth option, which is stickers. Scroll down and here you will see create. Hit on create and then select use a photo. Select the photo from your gallery. I'm going to select this photo and in just few seconds you will see my stickers will be created in my WhatsApp. It will take some time to create your sticker and it's done. Once it's done, then you will be able to send this sticker to your contact. And that's it guys. How to create stickers on WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.